Alright, here is the kitchen. I have a bunch of stuff right here, but you come out of here and we have the living room. Alright, we've got a good bit of our stuff in here, but this is the kitchen before everything is put away. And then we've got laundry room in here. This is gonna be the music room slash filming room for us. And here is Bo's bathroom and closet thing. And this is gonna be my room and my bathroom. This is my closet. And then we have a really pretty outdoor area. Show you guys. All right, this is like our porch view area. It's really pretty down there, so this will be nice, but it's storming right now, so I'm gonna go unload some stuff. Now I have to work on all of this. Wish me luck. Okay, so we finally, 10 years later, got everything out of the U-Haul, have it mostly unboxed, and I can't wait to show you guys like everything like all finished and set up. But now we're gonna do like a little quick like grocery run and go to Target and get a few things that we need. But yeah, I still look crazy because my eye and my nose is still healing, so that is why I look like this. We're gonna go get food and then come back and work on some more stuff. So I had to shoot for Shoe Dazzling. I couldn't decide which shoes. There's these, and then I'll show you the other ones. And these right here. These are so cute. So I took pics in both. I don't know which one I'm gonna post. I'm gonna go through them, but I really like both of them. And they're super cute. So we got that shot. I want to show you guys the apartment, but I want to do like a full apartment tour. So I'm gonna wait for that. And my eye, it's getting better a little bit. By the way, this candle is the most amazing smelling candle ever. It's so good. So Bo and my mom went to go and get some firewood. I stayed here so I could finish my coffee. But we're in the process of like decorating for Christmas. It's not even Halloween yet, but I'm not gonna be here for like a whole week. And then when I come back, it's gonna be like November, which is, I don't know, I celebrate Christmas time early. So I have a mixture of like Halloween and Christmas decor going on right now. So let me show you guys how cute my little dish towels are. They say a bottle of booze, and I just think that's so cute. But I need to get my coffee. Wow, okay. Okay, so like I was saying before my coffee exploded in the microwave, I have like a mixture of Halloween and Christmas at the moment, just because I didn't want to go like all out with Halloween. I mean, I want to go all out with Halloween, but I'm only going to be here for like, I was only here for like 3 days during October, so it didn't really make much sense, so I just kind of did a little Halloween stuff. But last night we went to the pumpkin patch, and I wanted to vlog so bad, but I forgot my camera, so I'll have to show you guys the pumpkins that we got. We decorated like the front door. I have like a Christmas doormat, but pumpkins by it. Yesterday was freezing cold, and then today it's kind of warm, so I literally have no idea what to wear. I thought it was cold outside, so I put on this sweater. Then I went outside and it's kind of hot, but we're going to Gatlinburg for my uncle's wedding today, and it's like way colder over there than it is here, even though it's like only like 3 hours away. So I need to figure out an outfit quick because we're about to leave. I can't wait to give you guys like a full-on apartment tour. I'm so excited for that. Like once I get everything like decorated and stuff for Christmas and finish getting my furniture and stuff, I will definitely show you guys what it looks like. But I want to show you guys my pumpkins real quick, so let's go look at that. Okay, so I have my map, and then these are my little pumpkins I got. I just thought they were so cute, and my mom bought us these mom's flowers, which are adorable, and I love my map. So got a dining room table yesterday. Like I said, I don't want to show you guys too much, but really cute. Such a beautiful day, which is so weird because next week it says it's supposed to snow here. And it's just so weird to me. Like it's hot today, it was cold yesterday, and next week on Halloween it's supposed to be snowing, so maybe I'll build a snowman. Hi guys, it's a new night. I just got back from the mall. Sephora's having their sale, so I got some of my my favorite eyebrow pencils, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I use it in the shade Taupe. It's the best, I swear by it. But we're about to go out to dinner, and I want to show you guys my outfit real quick. It is really freezing outside, so I've got on Fila sneakers and some jeans. I think they're from Zara, and then put on a beanie because it's so cold.
Forever 21.
Okay.
And these jeans.
This is from Forever 21.
From Topshop. These boots are
Oh
red
my
wing.
god!
This shirt is vintage.
Okay, great. This is what I'm wearing. About to go out, get something to eat. So I'll take you guys with us. And yeah, I don't really remember where I got this beanie. Wait, no. I might have got it from ASOS. I'm not sure on that, but I think I did.
Get online.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I know I said I was gonna bring my vlog camera last night, but I accidentally forgot it. We ended up waiting like an hour for a table at the restaurant. It was just really chill. And it was a fun night. It was freezing, but it is the next day. I'm about to go and clean up the house. My dad is coming over to visit today, so I'm very excited. And yeah, I'm gonna cook and stuff. And I'm about to do my makeup. I have to film the outro for my nose surgery video, which you guys would have seen already before this vlog. So I'm gonna do that after I do my makeup, and I might go out. I've been trying to find a Christmas tree that I like, so I really want to get one and decorate it all cute and stuff. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go clean up the house real quick, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. I really like the Mrs. Meyer's like cleaning sprays. The lavender one is my favorite. It smells so good, and it's just a lot better than like all the other ones with all the chemicals and stuff. So I'm just gonna clean my counters. Tonight my dad's coming over to see my apartment and stuff, and I'm cooking dinner. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love to cook. So I'm making a chicken pot pie, and I'm just like gonna go ahead and like cook the chicken now and then have it ready for tonight. So that is what I am doing, is cooking my chicken. And I put some garlic powder from Trader Joe's and some Tony's seasoning, the best. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. All right, time for makeup. Alright, we're going out to run a few errands, and we're gonna go get a juice. I don't really feel too well today, but got on a big sweatshirt and some leggings and my Air Force Ones. And yeah, we're gonna go get some stuff. We need to get firewood. So, oh, I forgot my phone. We're gonna go get firewood because it is freezing and it's supposed to snow Tuesday. It is Saturday, and it's gonna snow Tuesday. So that's what we're going to do. Our little doormat is so cute. The leaves are so pretty. They're so fallish. Going to get my juice. Got our juices.
Sure did.
They're really good. Mine's beets, carrots, orange, ginger, lemon, and I don't know what yours is.
It's green. It's green.
It's just green. It's just green, no ingredients. So now we're gonna go see if we can find a Christmas tree that I actually like. So, wish us luck. All right guys, we are back home. I am sauteing some onions and celery for my chicken pot pie. So we found a Christmas tree, so excited, and we found a few ornaments. We're gonna look for some more stuff tomorrow, but I had to come back and cook. And Bo is getting a fire started right now. I've got Christmas music playing, very festive. So I'm gonna finish cooking. I'll show you guys after what I'm done with. All right, Bo set up the Christmas tree, and it's so cute. Now we have to decorate it with ornaments, and he's actually playing a Christmas song. Well, he was. I don't know if he still is. He was. We're gonna put some of these ornaments on it. Got the fire lit, got some holiday music. Now it's time to decorate, and I have my pot pie in the oven, so let's decorate. So far, this is how the Christmas tree is looking. I want to get like some more like ornaments to put on it, and maybe some like red and more green, and a cute little like thing to put on top, maybe like a snowflake or something. And we definitely need to get a tree skirt. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. I'm gonna get ready for the day. We're gonna go to, I think, downtown Franklin and do some shopping. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.